What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. It's been a while. Today we're actually going to be doing a different style of video. We're going to be doing a tutorial video. Now, for those who follow me, they know that I don't usually do tutorial videos, but I do know that what I've been experiencing is needed on YouTube. Now, again, if you've been following my channel, the whole point of my channel is documenting my journey to $1 million online with e-commerce. And lately, I've been getting good results, finally. Especially how I started to get orders. I've been fulfilling my orders through AutoDS. Now, a big disclaimer. If you're brand new to dropshipping and you need to fulfill your orders, do not, I repeat, do not use AutoDS. It is so complicated, so buggy, and their customer support, guess what, is non-existent. So if you are looking to support and fulfill your orders, go through ZenDrop, go through CJ Drop, I don't know, do anything else but AutoDS. But I'm stuck with AutoDS right now because I have to use it anyways. So I realize the whole point of AutoDS, it's in the name auto. You have to automate your orders so it's automatic and you don't have to, personally go on each fucking order, blah, blah, blah. But I realize there's no fucking good video on YouTube that shows easily how to do it. So I'm doing the YouTube world a deed. And I'm going to show you here in the simplest way possible because I figured it out on my own. Because again, there's no fucking YouTube video that explains it properly. Again, before I get into it, please make sure to like and subscribe. Apologize, I am sick a bit, so my voice sounds a bit different. But again, I don't want to waste any of your time. I want to get straight into it and give you the simplest way to automate your orders on AutoDS. So on AutoDS, you're going to have your orders here. Now, if you are getting orders, and hopefully you are, if not, don't worry, we've all been there. Here is going to be all your orders. And now usually, I know for me, it says insufficient funds. You obviously know what the issue is, insufficient funds. Don't worry, I'm not broke. I'll figure it out. But usually for you, if you have nothing set up, it'll probably say pending. Probably have pending on it. So the first thing you want to do is create a buyer's account. You need to make kind of a separate AliExpress, which is called a buyer's account, for it to purchase your orders. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to go to settings. You're going to go to buyer's account. And this is my buyer's account. You shouldn't have one if you're watching this video because you don't know how to automate your orders. So you should say add account. When you go add account, I'm assuming you're doing AliExpress. If you want to do Amazon, you enter all the information here. But AliExpress is very simple. All you got to do is AliExpress, connect with AliExpress, log into your AliExpress account, and it will create a buyer's account for you. After you do that, it should be like the way I have it here, and it should say active. Simple enough? No, we are not done. Far from done. Then you have to go to supplier settings on the top here. You got to go on orders, and then you got to make sure to you have to click on AliExpress. Then you got to go on orders, and then you got to make sure these two are ticked. So basically what these two tickers are is that if you have automation all successfully implemented and it's able to use the automated orders, it will take that first thing. Now, after that's all done, you think, again, it would be that simple? No. I figured this out on my own. I'm sure there's some YouTube video out there, but I didn't spend that much time. But at the end of the day, I realized that it does not just take the credit card that's connected to your AliExpress and pay for it. No, you have to give AutoDS even more money. Yes, I already know the subscription monthly is already expensive, but no, you got to give more money by putting money in the wallet balance. Yes. So basically what you got to do, I know my phone's covering it. You got to press load and put how much money you want to put in. I currently have $55 in. I don't know why it's insufficient funds for these orders. That's why I got to figure it out. It's a bit weird. And then again, wait, we're not done. Now, you also got to buy credits because every automatic order takes a credit. So you got to buy credits. You got to give AutoDS more money. And by the way, they don't take any refunds at all. And guess what? And even if they did, you wouldn't get it anyways because their customer support is inexistent. But anyways, like I said, if there's a will, there's a way. You manage the automatic orders. You buy the credits. I usually just bought 100. Start off with that. Simple enough, right? That means you can fulfill 100 orders. And it's not that expensive. But anyways, you're still giving them money. After this, everything should be done and good. Obviously, I hope I don't have to explain that you have to connect your Shopify store to AutoDS. As you see on my top left, I know it's blurred out. And here, my store, I know it's blurred out because I'm still working on the store. And I want to give away the sauce of what I'm doing currently. But, again, everything should work fine. Whenever you get an order, it should say send to AutoDS order. And once the order is fulfilled, you should get this icon right next to it saying completed by the fulfilled by AutoDS service. Hopefully, I explained it in the simplest way possible. I do believe I explained it better than all of some other YouTube videos because, trust me, I've tried to figure this shit out for so long, but I finally figured it out myself. If you guys have any questions, I answer every single question in the comment section. So if I was unclear or you didn't understand something, definitely comment down below. If you did find this video and this tutorial very meaningful, I usually don't do tutorials, please make sure to follow, subscribe, comment, like, share, do all whatever your heart desires. But again, this is not a tutorial YouTube channel. This is my journey to a million on e-commerce. And if you're interested in that, definitely I would suggest to drop a follow. Hope you guys are having a great day. God will bless you. Hope you're getting a bunch of orders and AutoDS is treating you correctly. And I'll see you at the top.